Step 1. Angle sticky tape upward at the corner of your eye to get the cat eye angle that you want. Step 2. Apply your eyeliner along the tape, starting from the cat eye tip to your inner eye corner. Once you've done your second eye, carefully peel away the tape. Remember, if you're using liquid eyeliner, to let it dry before you remove the tape. If you are anything like me and made a little bit of a mess, just grab a bit of concealer and wipe that away. Step 4 is eyeshadow. Sweep your choice of eyeshadow over your eyelid. I chose blue, just like Taylor Swift. Once you've done your eyeshadow, step 5 is applying mascara. I curled my eyelashes first, but you can also opt to add fake eyelashes if you prefer to wear those. Once you've got your mascara or your fake eyelashes applied, the next step is to apply your base makeup. I already pre-applied my foundation, but once you've done that, apply any contouring, bronzer and blush. Finally, once you've done your base makeup, is your red lipstick, and no Taylor Swift look is complete without a bold red lip. Finally, set the face with setting spray or setting powder. And that's it, you've got your final Taylor Swift cat eye look.